My name is Kgotso Pule from Alexander. I've been working for the Pothole Patrol team for 5 years now. I'm a pothole repairer. I make potholes go away for a living. A normal day for me looks like this. Get into the office, then I collect my route plan, jump inside the truck with my team, go to the site, arrive the site, we barricade the site, start prepping, working. My toughest challenge is traffic. There are a lot of cars and then behavior of the people, they're not the same. Some of them, they appreciate, some of them, they go like, I crossed the road, and then, yeah. You get compliments most of the time, yeah, so that's the good thing about it. After repairing a pothole, I feel good because I save lives. I make everybody striving to be easy and smooth. The best reaction that I received is some of them giving us sweets and goodies, yeah, and then most appreciation, like, thanks guys, you're doing God's work. So practically we are angels, so yeah. The thing that makes me proud about being a pothole patrol, I learn how to tackle challenges, how to save lives. Fixing potholes changes time management because now you no longer have to swerve or have to wait for someone to come past you so that you can go through. Just have to drive along and then, yeah, it's smooth sailing. Saving lives, yeah. Safety comes first. To be part of the solution feels good because, like, I feel like a boss. So one day I'll be a boss. And way back they say, Kgotso, come and fix the hole. And don't worry, I'll send my team to come there and rescue you from your misery. Small things, they do make a huge difference. Because remember, the tires, hey, they are expensive, so they can cost you a tire or an arm or a leg. So actually, yeah, fixing that hole can make a huge difference. We are the Superman of the streets. That's how I'll describe the Pothole Patrol. People should care about this work because they are responsibility for their own safety. So more like reporting an app, it's your responsibility because you are saving life out there, even your life. Because one of your relatives can pass there and then hit a pothole and then something huge can come out of hitting that pothole.